Hello, I am Jyotiraj Brahmanandan, Chief Executive of Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office Worldwide. This is the 26th video in this series. The average time for these 26 videos is about 19 minutes. Only the last video was only about 10 minutes, so it's something around 19 minutes. This video also I am planning for about 20 minutes. Before starting, I will give you the time specification today. Today is 23rd March 2021. Now we are in Pisces Zodiac, and the stellar configuration is from Punarvam star, Punnabasu star. The presiding deity for the day is the god and goddess of war, Chitragupta. For the in the zodiac, the Pisces zodiac is governed by Guru, Jupiter. Then stellar configuration, the presiding deity is Aditi, a Vedic god. So that's the configuration today. And with that, I am proceeding. Before going into the details, I will want to discuss something very important. Some days before, I have given a message that we would like to have you get subscribed to our site by paying at least 1 rupee per day. Those who are in Kerala, now we are the Supreme Office World, Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office Worldwide is situated in the headquarters is situated at Kerala. So we are given the first chance to people from Kerala. Now, so far I have spent money and I have got help from some of the close relatives. And of course, I got my family property and from my father and mother. And I got the sanction from, I am the owner of the planet Earth that was being sanctioned by Sage Prugu and Sage Agastya and Sage Vishwamitra. The ancient sages, they are given with documented evidence. These are planet Earth that has been in my ownership, and the modern facilities are also in my ownership. In my name, it is there. So I didn't get any outside financial help. I had done some work and got money. That is true. That association was there. From after that, I have been entrusted the work from 1999. Before that, I have worked for many organizations, almost 80. Or previous to that, I have worked for about 80 organizations, and after that also I have worked many of the. After 1999, I have worked in many organizations. Some of the organizations, I got money. Some money I got from outside sources, other than the family property. And that amount I will tell you, that is 4,000 rupees per month. And the new recruit from engineering, they will get around 25,000 to 30,000 per month. That also you should remember. When I make a comparison, you should remember that. You should compare that also. I got 4,000 rupees per month from 40 years. And a new recruit from the college, he will now get from campus interview, they will get about 25,000 to 30,000 per month. That is the situation. So you should compare and see how much I got from other sources, outside sources other than family. I have so far after leaving my job about 25 years before, I have done I worked as consultant, but with some other company job. Other than that, I mostly done about 15 years consultancy work. And I left the job for about 25 years before. So, in that context, I got only 4,000 rupees per month, other than outside my family property, what I got from father and mother. And the ownership of Planet Earth was transferred to me, and modern facilities also transferred in my name by ancient sages. Particularly eldest son of Brahma the creator, Sage Prithu, then Agastya, Sage Agastya. Agastya is one of the renowned physicians in the ancient world. Then he has allotted the communication channel and also other networks. These networks, what you use are in my name, but I don't. Till even now, I am paying money and getting the service. For getting the service of my property, I am spending money from my pocket and getting the service. Actually, you should pay money and get the service. But the reverse is happening. I am paying money from my pocket and getting the service of what is the property that is in my name. That funny things are happening in this world. And you are all believing in God, in your ancestors, and in your Creator, and all this you are believing, and this is what is happening. Then, Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra means the front of the entire world. These are the main sages associated, and almost all of Sage Parasara is there, then Varahamira is there, Acharya Varahamira, then so many sages, almost all sages, ancient sages are represented through Sage Prithu, Sage Agastya, Sage Vishwamitra, like that the Parasara. All these through all these stages, I am doing the functioning. I have updated the system, I have modernized the system, I have made it free, and we are doing, and this information that these are all available in my site. In our site is there, www.supremeofficeworldwide.com. I said you should get a membership. There are several reasons. One reason is we want you to have some association with us. We want to have some recognized members with us. So far, it is a family affair. Most probably, it is only with me. I got when I need some money, I ask for someone else, and sometimes they may help. So far, they have helped. Many occasions they help when I need some money. That's also very when compared to the money I have spent, it is a small amount. Still, they have helped. Some of the family members they have helped. So it is like that. This pavilion is functioning. The Supreme Office is functioning. We want a lot of money to make this world a better one. You can see the details of what we have done in the past. The details of one by one we are disclosing in our site www.supremeofficeworldwide.com. You can search through. Then we have given some time. In the last 20 years, we have made so many appeals to get membership. Nobody associated, nobody made any contribution, monetary contribution. And we are given yet another chance. Last time about 3 days. Now this is the 4th day. So far nobody from Kerala subscribed. And people should remember, Kerala has lost a very good chance. And they are really losing their life. They have spent a lot of years. Their ancestors have spent a lot of years. Even then they are losing this chance that you should remember. I will tell you, we don't need any of these networks. Any of these networks we can do it secretly. This job we can do it secretly. We can collect information. We can with information and make the transaction. We have another equivalent system. That is the original system with us. That is the network of sages, ancient sages that we have developed more than 15,000 years before. This is the modern system that is also in my name. And this is mainly we are using to give you information. To make you aware we are functioning, how we are functioning, like that we are giving you the information. We are using for that. For that we are spending money from our pocket and giving you the information. But you are not aware. You are... and you are not cooperating. And we are given a chance also, an additional chance we are given for Kerala people to get associated. If you want, we will consider your account, I had told, but nobody responded so far. So you are losing. The thing is, Now the system is working in barter system. Nobody is giving any money to me. They are giving some service and getting back something in return. But the real tragedy in this is the people in Kerala are really losing, because I had to, these people, these network people, the Airtel or Idea or BSNL, I mean not BSNL, they are not using, or then Idea, any network, telephone network or internet, or then communication channels, so many other facilities we are using. For that we have to make some contribution to the other side. We are not making anything free, even though it's all mine. If they are they are making this service to us, employing so many people. So when I get some benefit, I really reciprocate. I have to give them service. I have to collect information, means these people have to collect and give. So that's only I had to recognize the service and I pay. I had to give them credits, not in monetary sense, because what the currency what I am using and what the currency you are using are different. That is the problem now. If the currency what I am using and what you are using were same, then there is no problem. So what currency we are issuing from more than 15,000 years before, and what currency you are using for past 100 years, they are two different currencies. You are telling you are using some currency and giving to that I understood you are democratic elected representatives. But they are not giving any money to us. Not you. You also is not giving money to us. That currency you are not giving. Only after getting that currency to us, we can reciprocate. Now our currency is different. What we are using for 15,000 years, that is different. That is time currency, universal currency. Anywhere we can issue and make the service. Even now that is happening. These are networks and other transport facilities. So many facilities we are using. And even though we make our facility, we make and use the facility by payment. These is some of the mail services, these networks, communication channels. These are all, they are also these are journal services. They are all giving service to us, and in some manner or other, we reciprocate. So the real users are the people. They are the others. Those who are doing a real service, they will be getting back. So you people are being cheated, not by me or from the Supreme Office, but by your own people. The others will get you. That you should remember. They are cheating you. Those who are standing with you, they are cheating you. That you should remember. You are one of the latest chance also you have lost. Now we are going to all India basis. There is no consideration for Kerala people now. Now we are going for all India basis. After that we may go for all entire world also. That also we will try. So if you want to get associated, get the recognition for your currency, then you please cooperate with us and pay at least 1 rupee per day. Those who are getting interest, those who are interested in associating with us, then we will reciprocate. Then you are in monetary age. Otherwise, you are more than 5,000 to more than 25,000 years, 2,005 years before. This modern currency is not there at present. We are doing barter system more than about 5,000 years before. That system we are using. You know, you are nothing giving to us, me. And we are using giving me in time currency. So that disadvantage, at least the Kerala people lost. Now, since you are lost, you are one of the best chances I have explained. And we are going to all India basis. Those people, your modern teachers, those who have taught all these things, they are really cheating you. Repeatedly I am saying they are really cheating you. That is why we are disqualified. The ancient sages, they have disqualified. They are not able to correct the system. They are misleading the people and make the people lose the game. We are not cheating anyone. That you should very clearly you understand this. But many people are getting these benefits from this office. We have to be very fair with them. They are giving me a service and we will reciprocate. That is the system. And several connections are here in our place where we are working. So through them we will give. Only thing is those people who got sacrifice your lakhs of rupees of money or millions of rupees of money and got a placement in Kerala, you are being misled by other people and you are losing the game. So at least in Kerala, India more, at least please you cooperate and get your benefits. Your democracy system won't give you anything. You are selecting your president for 5 years, just 5 years. They have authority to take decision for 5 years for your things associated with your life only, not others. That is the authority you have given them. We didn't give anything. I may make, that is a good suggestion, that is a good activity. That is something they do wrong, I tell that is a wrong activity. That is there. That is our duty, that is our work, that we will do. Sometimes these politicians also will get some of the benefits. But the real losers are you, the ordinary people. The general public. Not ordinary people, the general public, including professionals. I am telling. Those who call you those being considered as professionals or learned people, or those who are considered as modern rulers, they are all losing game. You are being barter system, just like laborers. Something you have, you give to others and get it back. But there are big gainers, those who have done so much for us, and they got lot in return. They will be, in the final game, they will win. Only thing is, you are labored here and you are not going to get anything. It's not our fault. It is fault of your people. Please understand this. So please cooperate. I am giving about 4 more days I will give. Not 3. 4 more days I will give for the entire India. And we are reserving 1,000 seats for accounts that we will consider for taking our decision. We are not collecting anything special, just as subscription. 1 year, 365 rupees. If you are paying from outside India, you can $5. That's all. And if we require, we may take get you from you. We will get additional information. That's all for the first 1,000. That's all. So please cooperate. It's again, I have given some information, additional information, and proceeding. And I have told in Kerala this discipline is very must. When the creator of Kerala, Parashurama, was asked to kill his mother. That is only a story. That Parashurama killed his mother also. After that, he asked for his mother's life again. His father gave it back. Life was given back. Same thing happened in Muslim religion also. To test the discipline. In this, there is a festival of sacrifice. God asked Ibrahim to sacrifice his son's life. He took the decision to sacrifice, and immediately Allah came and said, "Stop it. You give as a ransom. You give a sheep, a ram. That's enough." When he decided he is willing to give to this God's instructions, there it stopped. These things are happening every time to test the discipline, if it is there, whether you are believing God or not. And in the present test of the Creator, you are simply losing the game. Whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, any religion you take, we don't consider any of these religions now. We consider all religions also. So, you know how you are lost? I have as one of the planet Earth, through entrusted by the ancient sages more than 15,000 years before, from the office of the Creator. When I made a request, not even one person responded to that in the last 21 years. So you are losing very miserably. You are failing. Again, I am disclosing it. Please take your decision at the earliest and cooperate. Otherwise, you should remember, so many others are ahead of you. They are gaining. Many of the people are gaining. Not only in other parts of India, but in other countries also. Because they are maintaining such a system. They are helping us a lot. For example, BBC. They are giving a service. Up-to-date information they are giving. And I have to reciprocate. That's the system. I am not paying any money to them. For money in the sense, they will be given equivalent money. For the help they are giving, they will be given equivalent money. My money currency is different. In the Supreme Office worldwide, we cannot print the money for each country and each state, and that we cannot distribute. Because we have made a blockade of currency in different countries, different system of money. That we cannot follow. We are following a universal system, just like something similar to a dollar system. Dollar is acceptable to any part. But we are much more higher than universal currency. At any time, anywhere it is applicable. We cannot go in for educational people one system and uneducated people. For everyone we are giving. And these people are gaining also. Only those who are agreed to cooperate with this, and you are close to us, you are losing the game. People in Kerala and people in India, you are losing the game. But because other people are helping us a lot. This truth I am revealing. You are people, you are modern teachers, those who are standing with you to protect. In the false name of protecting you, they are cheating you. That's why we are disqualified. They were not able to correct any of the mistakes so far. And you see how they have cheated you also. So please cooperate. I have completed about 22 minutes already. I think you got some useful information. You had a very interesting, I suppose you had a very interesting